Welcome. We are following this book. Today's lecture on why are leadership skill important to managers are Six Sigma. And this is the first chapter, managerial accounting and overview. Okay. So this is our first. Now we will discuss why are leadership skills important to managers. So here, just organizations are managed by people. Suppose this is organizations. Okay, and leadership is skill important to managers, and these organizations a lot of managers, lot of managers. Okay, so organization managed by people. These people managed by people that have their own personal interest, and these people have their own personal interest. These people have their own personal interest, insecurities, beliefs, and data supported conclusions. Okay, so here that ensure unanimous support for a given course of action. That means exception rather than the rules. That means these rules we know that always if we impose rules that could not be better for run the organization properly. So sometimes these people are very important to run the business properly. So that times the leadership skills important to managers. Those who are managers of the organizations, those who run the business and run these peoples, they need proper managerial skills. Okay, so we call here therefore managers must possess a strong leadership skills. This manager, this manager possess a strong leadership skills if they wish to channel their co-workers. We call they are their co-workers and efforts towards achieving organization goals. So if we want to achieve the organization goals, that times the leadership skills is so much important to the managers. And here we call this is the managed by people, and this is people, and here we have also managers, and this is the management. We call this is the management, and this is the department heads. They are also the manager. Okay, suppose this is the finance department, this is the ASRM, this is the accounting department, this is the administrative. So they are the heads, and they organize these people. So that times uh, ma- these managers need leadership skills. Okay, so to proper organize the organization, they need management skills. So we call here leadership skills if they wish to channel their co-workers efforts towards achieving organizational goals. Okay, so thank you. Then briefly describe the Six Sigma. So a method that relies on customers feedback and fact-based data gathering and analyze techniques to drive process improvement. Process improvement. So here Six Sigma is a method. Okay, so later we discuss the Six Sigma. Describe the 5 stages in the Six Sigma by demise framework. So D means this is the define, M means the measures, A means the analyze, I means the improve, and C means the control. We can set up an example for this. Suppose it's a machines. Just we have sold this machine to a customer. He is the customer. The customers, thus he complain us his machine is not functioning properly. That times just we have sent a group of engineers to repair these machines. Okay, So this group of engineers, first time they will define the problem. So here they can define problem number 1, problem 2, problem 3. Just they guess this problem. What could be here? So we call this is the define. Number second, measure. Gather baseline performance data related to this existing process. This existing process 1, 2, 3. Just this define process. Just they will collect data of this problem. Number 3, analyze. That means identify the root causes of the problem. What is the root causes of the problem? They will identify. Of these 3, that means could be this problem. So they will identify this problem identified in the measures stage. And number 4, improve. Improve. When they identify, uh, they need to be improved. That means develop, evaluate and implemented solutions to the problem. Okay, so here develop, evaluate and implementation solution to the problem. And finally, that is control. And now they detect the problem and they develop, evaluate and implement solution to the problem. And finally, control, ensure that problems remain fixed. Okay, seek to improve a few methods over time, and they will try to solve this problem. And finally, they and finally just please look here, in analyzing part, just identify the root cause of the problem. Identified, that means they identify the 3 gaze. They gaze, that means the 3 that could be 3 problems. Now they identified, suppose problem number 3, they could identify it now. So here improve. Now they must improve this one, these 3. That means they will now develop, evaluate and implemented solution to the problem. And finally, ensure problems remain fixed. Okay, and here the main another point is number 1, number 2, number 3. They estimated the problem. They earlier thought maybe this problem, this problem or this problem. So finally they have found this 3 problem are not, now they could think that these 3 problem are not accurate problem. That times they will resume again. That means they will identify another problem, some problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, etc. So here we call seek improve a few methods over time. So they will take time to repair these machines again. Okay, so we call here actually this is the Six Sigma device framework. uh, Thanks, that's all. Thanks. Next lecture on why is ethical behavior important to business or code of conduct for management accountants. Okay. Thanks.